Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use referral code on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you're the new user and if you got a referral code, you'll be able to use it to get discounts. So for that, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you can directly search for your referral code over here. Simply type in your referral code. Now once you do that, search for it. Now if your referral code is correct, you'll be able to use the discounts and offers over here. Likewise, you can also use the referral code like the coupon code. For that, what you have to do is make sure to add the items to the cart. Simply tap on the item that you would like to purchase and tap on the option add to cart. Now tap on the cart icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. Make sure to select the items that you would like to purchase. Now tap on this option checkout that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface. In this interface, make sure to select the shipping address and shipping method. Likewise, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for apply coupon, gift card, etc. Tap on this option apply coupon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to apply the referral codes like the coupons over here. What you have to do is tap on this field of apply coupon. After you do that, enter your referral code over here. Now tap on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now if your referral code is correct, the referral code will be applied and you'll be able to get the promised discounts or offers. So like this, you'll be able to apply the referral code. So that is how you apply referral code on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.